Can you come here for a sec? I gotta show you something not so good.
What not so good?
Well,
It's not so good.
look what Jake did while we were gone.
I was doing my birthday.
But you know what? Should we go get you another one? I know. Sorry. Wait. Well, we're gonna make it okay though, okay? First of all, there's still a lot of it that hasn't been eaten, so and all the rings are still fine. So we'll cut out the parts that we can still eat, and then we can either go get another one, or we can take these. We'll do something, okay? It'll be okay. We can still eat part of it, and he didn't hurt the rings. He just got a little frosting. We can either refrost it, or cut out this part, and we'll go get another one, okay?
But it was slow.
All the
How did he get one of those clothes?